Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Just wanted to briefly go over some additions and changes and updates that I've been in the lab working on these past several days. Well, everything is done and complete. A lot of things have transpired since I've been in the lab and working on these things, but I just wanted to show you the new design of the report that you'll be able to find on the blog. And you'll find this on polscan.blogspot.com. And let me just run through the layout with you. This is what you see when you first log in. As you can see here, it gives you the day that this was posted, day of the week, July 14, 2010. And then here is I always start the Vulcan report with the date, so that for instance, this particular entry is for today. However, it's based on yesterday's close. So yesterday was Tuesday, so it's based on that close, okay? And here at the top, this is the home page. There's a documentaries page and a trading page. These two pages are under construction. I don't even know if there's anything on the documentaries page or not, but in the future I'll be doing some stuff there. But the trading page, I'm still thinking about what I want to do with that too, but for the most part, just the one page you'll be focusing on. Right here on the left hand side, on the right hand side, is the True Pirate Radio, the Vulcan Report, True Pirate Radio. Whenever I do a radio show, you'll be able to click that here. I have several right now that I've done that you'll be able to click here and listen to them. You can download them, whatever. And I do have several that I've done this year. Also, if you scroll down here under the blog archive section, it breaks it down, the year, the month. You can see here's July the 14th, two entries. Here's the 13th, the 12th, the 8th, the 5th, so forth and so forth. And it tells you right here, because it kind of cuts off. What I do is I put the day that this is for, the ticker symbol, so date and ticker symbol. So if, like, let's say you only follow oil and you're just looking for the entries for oil for the 14th, you look and see what I have for the 14th, and you can see I have GLD and gold spot. That's the only thing that I've updated so far. So you come and you click on the one you want to read, and there you have it. This actual commentary printout is what I do with the actual videos that I do on YouTube. So this is coming straight from that. This is the actual printout of that. Sometimes I don't have time to do a video, but at least I can go ahead and do a blog entry, so you can always check back on the blog, throughout the day. All right, let me show you some of the new features here of the report. The first, we break it down into sections now. The first thing I'm going to cover now is today's price action, which is based on yesterday's close, so I give you that first. Then the next category that we have is, so we went from price action. Then the next thing we cover is market sentiment. Okay, under the market sentiment, we talk about the post-scan swing VIX indicator, and we give you the data on that. Then the next category is momentum, and under this category we will analyze the market trend and the strength of the trend. We also look at intraday price projections, weekly price projections, and monthly price projections. We've added the monthly price projections. In addition to that, we've given you price and time targets. So not just price targets based on a bull trend or bearish trend, but we give you some kind of idea based on a timeline for those price targets to hit. Another new feature that we've added specifically for the wide awake radio broadcast is the hyper parabolic circuit breaker and the plunge protection team circuit breakers. Okay, under the hyper parabolic circuit breakers, what we do is we take a measurement of different types of bull markets. You have